Starting a business used to take weeks, now it takes under an hour. These 5 AI tools can build your brand, website, content, and even customer support, all for free. Let's launch your business in 60 minutes or less. Step 1. Get your business name. Nemix uses AI to generate brandable, unique names with logo previews in seconds. Just type your niche and style, boom, instant identity. Step 2. Build your visual branding. Lookover creates stunning logos, fonts, colors, and even business cards. You walk away with a full brand kit in minutes, no designer needed. Step 3. Launch your website. Gearbyte uses AI to create a fully designed, ready-to-use business website. It even writes the copy and gives you a custom domain, all in under 30 seconds. Step 4. Write your content. Use Copy.ai to generate social media posts, product descriptions, and add copy instantly. Great for marketing without hiring a writer. Final step, automate your customer service. Tidio adds a smart chatbot to your site that handles questions, bookings and sales, 24/7. Makes your tiny startup feel like a full business. You now have a name, a brand, a website, content, and a support system, all built with AI in under an hour. Subscribe to Gearbyte Media for weekly tools that help you start and scale smarter.